Rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has led to the development of new technologies that are transforming the way we live and work. One of the most exciting applications of AI is in the field of customer service. Chatbots are computer programs that mimic human conversation. They are powered by AI and are able to understand and respond to customer queries, often in natural language. Chatbots are an efficient and cost-effective way to provide customer service, and they are only getting better as AI technology evolves. In this video, we will explore the top 10 benefits of chatbots for businesses. Chatbots have come a long way since the T9 era and GPT-1. With the advent of ChatGPT, chatbots are now capable of generating human-like responses and engaging in more complex conversations with users. AI chatbots face various issues and challenges such as natural language processing, context understanding, handling complex queries, maintaining user engagement, avoiding bias and ensuring data privacy. This video explores the importance of crafting effective messages when interacting with bots and provides tips on how to optimize your communication to receive the best response possible. Check out a new AI chatbot developed by DID is capable of engaging in face-to-face conversations with users, thanks to the advanced technology provided by ChatGPT. 1. AI chatbots can save money on customer service. As businesses increasingly adopt artificial intelligence, AI, technologies, one of the most promising applications for this cutting-edge innovation is in the customer service arena. By automating repetitive and low-value tasks, AI chatbots can free up customer service representatives, CSRs, to focus on more complex issues, ultimately providing a better experience for customers and reducing costs for businesses. There are a number of ways AI chatbots can help businesses save money on customer service. First, by automating simple tasks such as account lookup or password reset, AI chatbots can reduce the number of calls or interactions that CSRs need to handle. This can lead to significant savings, as businesses can staff customer service teams more efficiently. In addition, AI chatbots can help businesses to resolve issues more quickly. By providing instant answers to common questions, AI chatbots can help to resolve issues before they escalate, saving businesses both time and money. Finally, AI chatbots can provide a more personalized experience for customers. By learning from customer interactions, AI chatbots can provide a more tailored and individualized experience, ultimately resulting in higher customer satisfaction levels. Overall, AI chatbots offer a number of potential benefits for businesses, including significant cost savings. As businesses continue to adopt AI technologies, chatbots are likely to play an increasingly important role in the customer service arena. 2. AI chatbots can automate tasks. In a rapidly developing world, businesses are always looking for ways to automate tasks in order to stay ahead of the curve. One way they are doing this is by using AI chatbots. AI chatbots are computer programs that can simulate human conversation. They are designed to understand natural language and respond in a way that is natural for humans. This makes them an ideal tool for businesses to use for tasks such as customer service, lead generation, and even sales. There are many benefits to using AI chatbots for businesses. For one, they can help to automate tasks. This can free up employees to do other tasks or even take on additional responsibilities. In addition, AI chatbots can help to improve customer service. They can do this by providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. AI chatbots can also help businesses to generate leads. They can do this by interacting with potential customers and providing them with information about a company's products or services. Overall, AI chatbots can be a valuable tool for businesses. They can help to automate tasks, improve customer service, and generate leads. 3. AI chatbots can improve customer engagement. As the saying goes, the customer is always right. In today's business climate, that has never been more true. With the advent of the internet, customers have more power than ever before. They can easily find reviews and ratings for businesses before they even step foot in the door. It's no surprise, then, that businesses are looking for new ways to engage with their customers. One of the most promising methods is using AI chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that simulate human conversation. They are commonly used in customer service, but they can be used for much more than that. For example, chatbots can be used to make recommendations, provide customer support, upsell and cross-sell products, collect customer feedback. AI chatbots are particularly well suited for customer engagement because they can mimic human conversation. This makes them more relatable than a computer screen or a phone call. Plus, chatbots can be available 24/7, which means they can always be there for your customers, even when you're not. There are many different platforms that offer chatbot services. Some of the most popular include Telegram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and WeChat. To get started with chatbots, businesses first need to decide what they want to use them for. Once they have a goal in mind, they can choose the right platform and start building their chatbot. Building a chatbot can be a complex process, but there are many resources available to help. For example, GPT-4 offers an API that makes it easy to create a smart chatbot. 4. AI chatbots can boost conversion rates. Businesses have been turning to chatbots to help them improve their customer engagement. And it's no wonder why. Chatbots are 24/7. They can handle multiple conversations at once, and they never get tired. But did you know that chatbots can also help businesses boost their conversion rates? It's true. By taking care of the little things, like follow-ups, customer service, and even sales, chatbots free up your team to focus on the big things, like closing deals. What's more, chatbots can collect data and help you better understand your customers' needs and wants. This data can help you fine-tune your marketing and sales strategies, and even customize your product offerings. 5. AI chatbots can manage online reputation. As the world increasingly moves online, so too do businesses. Along with this shift comes new challenges, such as how to best manage a company's online reputation. This can be a difficult and time-consuming task for businesses, but fortunately, there is help available in the form of AI chatbots. AI chatbots can monitor the internet for mentions of a company, and then alert the business to any negative sentiment. This allows businesses to address any potential problems quickly and efficiently. In addition, AI chatbots can help a business to track its online reputation over time, allowing for trends to be identified and monitored. Overall, AI chatbots can be a valuable tool for businesses when it comes to managing their online reputation. By providing assistance with tasks such as monitoring and responding to negative sentiment, AI chatbots can help businesses to protect and improve their online reputation. 6. AI chatbots can increase website traffic. As the popularity of chatbots continues to rise, more and more businesses are beginning to see the potential value in utilizing them to help increase website traffic. And while there are a number of different ways that chatbots can be used for this purpose, one of the most effective is by using them to engage with website visitors and promote content. There are a number of advantages that chatbots offer when it comes to increasing website traffic. For starters, they can help to create a more personal interaction with visitors, which can prompt them to stay on your site for longer periods of time. Additionally, chatbots can be used to answer questions that visitors may have about your site or its content, which can help to increase the likelihood that they'll explore further. Finally, chatbots can also be used to share new content with visitors or to promote specific pieces of content that you think they'll find interesting, both of which can encourage clicks and boost traffic. Overall, AI chatbots offer a number of potential benefits for businesses looking to increase website traffic. So if you're looking for a new way to engage with your visitors and promote your content, consider adding a chatbot to your site. 7. AI chatbots can generate leads. As the world progresses, so does technology. And with this day and age, businesses are continuously looking for new ways to stay relevant and be one step ahead of their competition. Introducing AI chatbots. AI chatbots can help businesses generate leads in a number of ways and give them a competitive edge. For starters, AI chatbots can help by providing 24/7 customer support. In other words, they can be there to answer any questions or queries a potential lead might have, even outside of business hours. They can also provide automated responses to frequently asked questions, and follow up with leads after they've made an enquiry. Furthermore, AI chatbots can help businesses generate leads by gathering data and information. They can do this through things like website traffic and engagement analytics. This data can then be used to identify potential leads and help businesses craft more targeted content and strategies. Last but not least, AI chatbots are beneficial because they never get tired. They can handle a high volume of leads without breaking a sweat. So, if you're looking for a competitive edge, then AI chatbots are definitely worth considering. 8. AI chatbots can provide better customer service. AI chatbots can help businesses provide better customer service in several ways. First, they can help businesses keep track of customer interactions. This is important for understanding what customers want and need. It can also help businesses resolve issues more quickly. Second, AI chatbots can help businesses automate customer service functions. This can free up time for employees to do other tasks. Finally, AI chatbots can help businesses provide more personalized service. This can lead to better customer satisfaction and loyalty. There are several benefits of using AI chatbots to provide better customer service. However, businesses should keep in mind that chatbots are not a perfect solution. They have some limitations. For example, chatbots may not be able to understand all human conversation. They also may not be able to provide humans with the same level of empathy. Despite these limitations, AI chatbots can be a valuable tool for businesses that are looking to improve their customer service. 9. AI chatbots can collect customer feedback. Chatbots have become increasingly popular and widely used. They are commonly used in customer service, support, and marketing departments to interact with customers and collect feedback. There are many advantages to using AI chatbots for collecting customer feedback. They are available 24/7, they can handle large volumes of interactions, and they can collect detailed feedback at a lower cost than traditional methods such as surveys or focus groups. AI chatbots can also help you to target your customers more effectively. For example, you can use AI chatbots to segment your customers by their interactions, location, or other criteria. This allows you to send targeted follow-up messages and offers that are more likely to convert into sales. 10. AI chatbots can improve branding. When it comes to business, first impressions are everything. In today's digital world, potential customers will often come into contact with businesses through their websites and social media platforms before ever speaking to a human representative. This is why it's so important for businesses to have a strong branding strategy that reflects their values and sets them apart from their competitors. One way that businesses can improve their branding is by using AI chatbots. While chatbots have been around for several years, the technology is constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. The latest generation of chatbots is powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and is able to understand human conversation more effectively than ever before. This is valuable for businesses because it allows them to interact with potential customers in a more natural way. Businesses can use AI chatbots to answer frequently asked questions, FAQs, provide customer support, or even promote their products or services. AI chatbots can also help businesses to improve their branding by collecting customer feedback and data. This information can be used to improve the customer experience and make sure that the brand is meeting customer needs. They can help businesses to interact with customers more effectively, collect customer feedback, and promote their products or services. Thanks for watching.